Welcome. If you want to change notification settings in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at the first you have to go for the settings, then simply tap on the notifications, and as you can see here we can change a lot of things. For example, we can go for the included apps. So as you can see right now we can select which apps will get notification shown as a brief. So for example, we can turn off all of them and we can only select maybe Google Chrome and the calendar. When we go back next we can find the recently sent. Let's go for the more, and we can change most recent to most frequent. We can also change all of these apps, but for example let's focus on this option. So as you can see, a lot of notifications we got from the Gmail, Play Store, Game Launcher. So if you want to turn them off, you have to simply tap on the switcher, and if you don't have notifications from any app, you have to enter right here and just tap on the switcher and then activate. So yeah, as you can see, that's how we can adjust notifications in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.